The missing executable error in Bongo Cat means the software can't find or run its core file, like bongocat.exe. This happens when essential files are missing, corrupted, blocked by antivirus, or the software doesn't have permission to run. We will start by diagnosing exactly what is going wrong. The first step in resolving the missing executable error is to verify that you have the essential dependencies installed. Bongo Cat comes in different versions, and each requires specific runtime environments to run properly. For the .NET versions of Bongo Cat, you need to have .NET 5 or later installed on your system. This provides the necessary framework for the application to execute. For the Java versions, you'll need Java 8 or later installed. Java provides the virtual machine that allows the Java-based Bongo Cat to run across different operating systems. To verify these dependencies, check your system's installed programs list. If either is missing, download and install them from their official websites. Remember, verifying dependencies is the most common and often the simplest fix for the missing executable error. Always check this first before moving to more complex troubleshooting steps. Confirm that the Bongo Cat executable file, such as bongocat.exe, is present in the expected directory. If the file is missing, re-download Bongo Cat from the official GitHub repository kwk/bongocat. Also ensure your antivirus software hasn't quarantined or deleted the file. Whitelist the Bongo Cat directory in your antivirus settings. On macOS and Linux systems, permission issues are a common cause of the missing executable error in Bongo Cat. When files don't have execution permissions, the system blocks them from running, even if they're properly downloaded and located. To fix this, open your terminal application. Navigate to the Bongo Cat directory where you extracted or downloaded the files. Once you're in the directory, run the command chmod +x bongo cat to grant execution permissions to the executable file. Make sure to replace Bongo Cat with the actual name of your executable file. This cmod command changes the file permissions to make it executable. After running the command, try launching Bongo Cat again to see if the missing executable error is resolved. Sometimes the operating system can't find the executable because it's not in the system's path. The path environment variable tells your OS where to look for executable files. If Bongo Cat's directory isn't in path, the system can't find the executable. To add the directory to path on Windows, right-click this PC, select Properties, then go to Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables, find the path variable, and add the full path to your Bongo Cat folder. Restart any command prompts for changes to take effect. On macOS or Linux, open your terminal and edit your shell profile file, such as .bashrc or .zasha. Add the line to export the path with your Bongo Cat directory. Then source the file or restart your terminal. Search online for specific instructions for your operating system. While this is less common for Bongo Cat, ensuring the directory containing the executable is added to your system's path environment variable can help resolve issues. Search online for instructions specific to your operating system on how to modify path variables. If you downloaded Bongo Cat from an unofficial source, the file might be corrupted. Always download from the official GitHub repository to ensure file integrity. Look for SHA-256 hashes provided on the GitHub page to verify the downloaded file hasn't been tampered with. For more in-depth troubleshooting, examine your system's logs. These logs contain detailed information about system events and errors that can help identify the root cause of the missing executable issue. On Windows, open the Event Viewer by searching for it in the Start menu. Look in the Windows Logs section, particularly Application and System Logs. Search for errors related to Bongo Cat or executable files. The error code 0x807002 specifically means the file was not found, which can indicate path issues or missing files. On macOS, open Terminal and use the syslog command to view logs. For example, filter for Bongo Cat-related entries. On Linux systems with systemd, use journalctl to check service logs. Look for permission errors, missing file messages, or dependency issues that might explain why the executable cannot be found. These system logs and error codes provide specific clues about what's causing the missing executable problem. Use them to pinpoint whether it's a permissions issue, a missing dependency, or a corrupted file. To future-proof your Bongo Cat experience and avoid missing executable errors, consider using cloud-based or web-based alternatives. These versions run directly in your browser without requiring local installations, eliminating dependency and path issues. As of 2026, mobile ports for Android and iOS are in beta testing. These apps provide the same fun Bongo Cat animations on your phone, with touch controls instead of keyboard input, making it accessible anywhere without executable concerns. Future versions of Bongo Cat may utilize containerization technologies like Docker. This approach packages the application and all its dependencies into a container, ensuring consistent execution across different systems without missing executable errors. Keep an eye on the official GitHub repository for updates and fixes from the maintainers. Regular updates address compatibility issues and provide new features, helping to prevent future executable problems.